I've got X11 open, and I've created a little test model. And let me go back to plan view. See, I've set this wing the same width as this one, and the ridges match. Doesn't matter what the pitch is. Like this pitch is 512. I'm going to change these to gables. These ends right here. Okay, we've got the roof tab and full gable. I've got auto rebuild roofs on, so you can see that's how the ridges can automatically. This is the only way they can be made to match automatically. Well, not the only way. You could calculate a difference in pitches, and anyway, I don't want to get into that. I want to keep this simple. But if you want to auto generate and have common ridges, no matter what the pitch is, the widths over which these roof planes are created have to be the same. So I'm going to go over here to auto build roofs again. I can find it. Where'd it go? I don't see the icon anymore. Well, maybe it's under build roof. Okay. Find it that way. I'm going to change the pitch to 12. And auto rebuild roofs is on. So it should be instantaneous. Yeah, okay. See, the ridges match. Okay, so what do you do if, usually these wings are for like a bedroom and a hall or something like that, more like 16 feet. Where's the foot mark? There we go. And go back. You can see now the ridges, of course, do not match. Let's, I'm going to go over here to the wall break tool, if I can find it. I just rearranged my toolbars. I'm getting used to it. Where's the wall break tool? Oh, man. You can tell that these video tutorials are impromptu. I shouldn't mess with my toolbars. I can't find anything. All right. Hang on a second. I'm going to go over here. Customize toolbars. There we go. Wall break. Can't find it, so I'll put it on there custom. Oops. It vanished. I didn't do it right. Okay, I don't want 3D view. I want plan. Yeah. Get over there. There we go. Anyway, I'm going to use the wall break tool and break it using my cursor to line it up there. And we'll make this little section here a gable. So a common roof design. And we'll go over here and set that to full gable wall. Yeah. And yeah, voila. Okay, so if you want this ridge to match that one, what are you going to do? What I do, I click on the highest roof plane. There's more than one way to do this, but and there's the ridge value. I'm going to copy that ridge value of the highest ridge, cancel out, and then I'm going to apply it to each of these roof planes. Leave the pitch the same, and we'll leave the radio button in the, in this case, I want the fascias to match, so I'm going to change the radio button to fascia, and then paste that value in there. It's going to make this roof plane more steep, of course, but if you want If you want the ridges to match, this is what you do. I'm going to click on the other one. Use the same thing. I'll lock the fascia so it pivots from the fascia, and then copy paste the ridge value in there. And okay, let me fix the camera view. Yeah, it's a little bit easier to see with a vector view with the color turned off. And see, okay, well, I turned off auto rebuild roofs, so I have to reconnect the edges when I change the pitch. You can see the ridges match. No problemo. That's Spanish for no problem. Okay. Oh, no, we're not going to save that. So I just wanted to show you, guy at Chief Talk asked about that. It's pretty straightforward. And this is not the only way. You're dealing with 3D geometry with the roofs. Like we make the house like 45 feet deep. And I'm going to take this wall and this wall and have them go over here. Instead of 12, we're going to make that 5. Okay. And then I'm going to go over and wonder that build roof thing went away. Oh well. Where's build roof? There it is. Okay, we'll change this to 712 and build roofs. We'll go back to the camera. See there. Here's the. This should be 512. Yeah. And this should be 712. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's fine. Same thing. I'll get the ridge value here. And I do this one at a time. It's less complicated to do one at a time. I'm going to, again, I want the fascias to continue to match. Locking this so it pivots from the, well, I probably did that wrong. Well, I better do it the same way each time. And then copy paste the value. And then reconnect. See? Matching ridge every time. There you go. So that's something I just picked up from just doing this over and over and over again. And I thought I'd just share it. It's a trick, but it works. It's a trick that works. And I hope this helps you and other people who might view it. Y'all have a good day now. Here.